A Discord mod team that never sleeps, never skips a shift, and catches everything the second it happens. That's AutoMod. In the next few minutes, we're covering every single filter, every safety net, and the anti-spam engine underneath it all. This is AutoMod, the card that automatically deletes rule-breaking messages and logs every catch to your mod log channel. No human required. Quick map of the tour. Message filters, a banned word list, a safe way to test rules before they go live, extra filters, a bypass list, raid protection, and a full anti-spam engine. We're covering every single one. First filter, invite links. Flip this on, and any Discord GG link posted by a member gets removed automatically. No more server hopping invites in your channels. External links get the same treatment, and if you want exceptions, the allowed domains field whitelist specific sites, comma separated. We'll trust YouTube, Twitch, and Discord's own invites. The caps lock filter catches shouty messages. Minimum length keeps short acronyms safe, and the ratio decides how much of a message has to be uppercase before it counts as yelling. Spam filter. If a member posts more than this many messages within the time window, AutoMod steps in 5 messages in 6 seconds, in our case. Mention spam works the same way. Cross this many at mentions in one message, and it's caught, which is exactly how ping raids get stopped cold. The duplicate message filter catches copy-pasted spam. The same text repeated within this window gets flagged, one channel or a dozen. And emoji spam has its own ceiling too, because a wall of emoji is still spam, just a more colorful one. The banned words list is a simple substring-match. Add a word, and any message containing it anywhere gets deleted automatically. We'll block a classic free nitro scam phrase, and here's that same list with its delete button in case you ever change your mind. Before you trust any of this on a live server, there's a dry run tester right here. Let's throw a fake invite link scam at it. Caught instantly, and it tells you exactly which filter fired. Let's try something else, a message that's nothing but shouting. Caught again, a different filter, same calm response. And just to prove it's not paranoid, a perfectly normal message sails right through, clean. More filters, one card down. Auto slow mode kicks in the moment spam is detected. Attachments can be blocked outright. Spoiler tags can be filtered too. And zalgo, that glitchy, corrupted-looking text, gets caught before it wrecks anyone's screen. 4 small toggles, 4 real headaches solved, no extra setup required. Every rule needs an exception. Bypass roles skip AutoMod entirely for trusted members moderators, for instance. Bypass channels do the same. Per channel perfect for a bot commands channel, where links and spam are just part of the workflow. Raid protection is the panic button for bad days. Too many joins, too fast, and the bot reacts before you've even opened Discord. One toggle turns the whole safety net on. Set the threshold 12 joins inside 20 seconds, in our example, and anything over that trips the alarm. Pick the response. Lock the server down, kick the new arrivals, ban them outright, or just mute the newcomers. We'll go with a full lockdown. Exempt verified accounts if you want older. Discord verified users skip the raid check entirely. Save raid settings, and this one's for real, a genuine right to the back end. There's the confirmation. One card left, and it's the big one. The anti-spam engine, a whole real-time protection system underneath the simple filters above. Pick what happens on detection, delete the message, warn the sender, or time them out. We'll go with a timeout. Message rate. This many messages inside this many seconds trips the engine 6 messages in 5 seconds here. The duplicate message limit is this engine's version of the banned word list's cousin. Repeat a message this many times, and it's spam, full stop. Mention limit per message, independent from the simple filter above a second, more precise layer. URL limit does the same for links. This many links inside this many seconds, and the engine reacts. Timeout duration only matters when the action above is set to timeout. This is how long the offender sits in the penalty box. Send every anti-spam catch to a dedicated log channel, so your mod team has a paper trail without lifting a finger. And exempt roles, once more, specific to this engine, moderators skip it here too, obviously. Here's what all of this looks like from the inside. A rule-breaking message lands, and AutoMod is faster than any human moderator could ever be. Watch the escalation play out in real time, one strike after another. Set it up once, and it quietly protects every channel, every message, forever. No coffee breaks, no days off. That was every single control on the AutoMod tab. Try it free at ascensionbot.hu, the link is in the description. Next up in the series, tickets from panel to transcript. Subscribe so you don't miss it.